Are you confused about which programming language you should learn in 2025? Python, JavaScript, or Java? Don't worry. In this video, I will compare them based on jobs, salaries, learning curve, AI adoption, and future growth. By the end, you will know exactly which one is the best fit for your career goals. Now, choosing the right programming language is like choosing the right career path. Pick the wrong one and you might waste months. Pick the right one and it could open doors to AI, web development, or enterprise jobs. Now let's break it down and start with Python first. Nowadays, Python is widely used and is so popular. But why it's popular? It is the easiest language to learn with clean and simple syntax. For example, here if we just want to add if else condition, then we just have to write if age is greater than equals to 18 followed by colons. We can add any logic under the if statement or we can print any statement. Here we are printing you are an adult. In the else condition, we are printing you are a minor. So it follows a simple syntax unlike other programming languages. Python dominates AI, machine learning, data science, and automation. It has huge community support and tons of libraries which are available. So it is mainly used in AI. But now, every programming language has pros and cons. So, the cons of Python are it is slower as compared to Java and it's not that much great for mobile application development. But we have seen that in 2025, Python is still the number one choice for AI and data related jobs. So, if you guys are aiming for AI automation, Python is the king. Now, let's move on to our second programming language, which is JavaScript. But why JavaScript is so powerful? It literally runs everywhere, whether it is web browsers, backend with Node.js, and even mobile applications with React Native. It has the largest ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. There are tons of libraries and frameworks which are available in JavaScript. It is in super high demand in startups and freelancing. But as I mentioned, every programming language has pros and cons. So, what is the downside of using JavaScript? The downside of using JavaScript is the ecosystem changes too fast. React, Angular, Vue, so it can feel overwhelming. That means the web development ecosystem changes very quickly. For example, a few years ago, Angular was very popular. Then React became dominant. Later, Vue.js started gaining attention. So, because of these new frameworks keep coming, old ones keep updating, and best practices keep shifting, and developers often feel overwhelmed, pressured, and unsure. So, in short, the tech world moves so fast that keeping up with React, Angular, Vue, and other JavaScript frameworks can feel stressful and confusing. But in 2025, if you want to build websites or web applications, JavaScript is non-negotiable. The entire web runs on it. So you can use JavaScript in this scenario. Alright, so let's move to our next programming language, which is Java. So why companies still love Java? It's rock solid for enterprise software, banking, insurance, and government systems. It's great for Android application and large-scale backend systems. It is mature, stable, and trusted for decades. Now let's go through the downside of Java. It's harder to learn as compared to Python. The syntax of Java is complex as compared to Python, and it's not exciting for AI or quick startup projects. But again, in 2025, Java is still in demand in enterprise and Android jobs, but it's not usually the first choice for beginners because it's hard to learn and it has complex syntax. Alright, so now I will just do a quick side-by-side comparison of Python, JavaScript, and Java. So amongst the three programming languages that we have gone through, Python is the easiest to learn. Then we have JavaScript and then Java. So Python is best for AI data science, JavaScript is best for web and mobile applications, and Java is best for enterprise and Android applications. Python is highly in demand in terms of job, but when we talk about Java developer, the salary of a Java developer, that is higher amongst the three. Python is AI driven, JavaScript is web driven, whereas Java is enterprise steady. So here's my recommendation. If you're a beginner and want easy entry, start with Python. If you want to become a web developer, you must learn JavaScript. If you are aiming for a big corporate job or Android developer job, go with Java. Always remember, the best programming language is the one that aligns with your career goals, not just what's trending. Alright guys, so which one are you planning to learn in 2025? Python, JavaScript or Java? Drop your answer in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications because next week I'll post a beginner friendly Python tutorial to get you started. Thank you.